Hello everyone, my name is Nasrallo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to talk about upcoming volatility on Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum price, about some interesting news and about price targets and my expectations and my short trade as well and what I am doing as a trader. So if all of that sounds amazing, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you're always notified when I make a new upload. And guys and girls, I always appreciate your support here on this channel, so please, all you need to do to send me some support and send me some love is by hitting that like button. And also there is a share button down below that you can share this video with a person that desperately needs help with their trading and to help them stop losing money. So share it, use that button down below. And without any further ado, let's just jump right into it. Very important that on the August 26th, we are going to see the brand new PCE data. Remember, the CPI just came out recently and it was the moment of Bitcoin, and we're going to talk about Ethereum quite a lot today, by the way, but let's quickly take a look at Bitcoin. So the CPE data, CPI data came out here. It pushed the price higher, but now we're seeing a breakdown. And we're going to get back to the price in just a second. We're going to talk about price targets, etc. But now this one, there we go. So the PCE data is something that the Federal Reserve gives a lot more weight to, and we're going to see what Jerome Powell is going to do in September. So in terms of the rate hikes, etc. So if this is going to come out really bad and worse than all the forecasts, and about the forecasts I'll most likely talk about tomorrow or the day after, of what the market is actually expecting. So this is huge. This is something, mark in your calendars. This is going to be huge volatility for sure, something that we cannot avoid. So the next thing I wanted to mention is that Krallo affiliates already at this point, this is a website. There is a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment where you can learn affiliate marketing absolutely for free. Me, one of my income sources is affiliate marketing, and I make a lot of money from affiliate marketing, and I'm hiring also affiliate marketers within 3 hours of your education, and you can make as little as $1,000 a month and as much as 10,000 plus a month as affiliate marketer at Krallo Enterprises. And so far, we are 10,000 strong. So 10,000 people are already learning affiliate marketing for free, and there are already sales that people I will have to distribute. I have to find it. Well, I don't have it in here, but I have to distribute like $3,000 in profits of my affiliates already in just one day. $3,000. So it works. It's incredible, and we have already hired over 500 people. So join this team right now. Okay, so piece of news. Ethereum's pivot to proof-of-stake consensus worries users about the possibility of protocol level censorship. And this is something I cannot avoid to talk about because a lot of people are spreading a lot of FUD around Ethereum, and we're going to also answer the question whether Ethereum is going to go down like crazy or not. So, and right now what they're talking about in this article is that, you know, a lot of people are actually worried that when it's going to move to POS rather than POW, the consensus mechanism, that Ethereum is going to become more prone to censorship by the government, etc. And I'm not going to go into too much detail here. All that I can say is that I understand the skepticism, and I understand why, you know, we are so reluctant to actually allow the governments to censor things, and that's the point of cryptocurrency, etc. But you have to understand that if we don't have regulation, and we're not going to have regulation until there can be some sort of, at least some sort of middle ground and censorship, we're not going to hit global regulation. And if we're not going to hit global regulation, we're not going to see Ethereum at $20,000 and Bitcoin at $500,000. So that's what's required. So for that reason, I don't see this as a bad thing. Certainly we have to cooperate with the big boys, so to speak. We cannot be the train that goes against them all the time because they're going to crush us. So these kinds of things, I think that this is just FUD in my opinion. Let me know down in the comments what you believe. Next thing is that the crypto analyst predicts brutal Ethereum collapse towards the end of the year. So short things, just shortly about it, he is expecting $300 for Ethereum as this year ends, which is very, very drastic because it's like an 80% drop from where it is right now, literally. So, and quickly before we move to Ethereum, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And as I told you in yesterday's video, and if you haven't seen my videos, if you're not watching my videos from the beginning until the end, then you're not making any money with this So anyway, and here we have the AMA ribbon, and we, as I told you guys before, that we were fighting it right here, and then we pushed above based on this positive CPI numbers, but then we crashed below. So we are back in the bear control area below the AMA ribbon. And remember these occurrences. Is this the beginning of this kind of an occurrence? Could be. So for this reason, I am still in my short trade over on BitGet, and if you want to be in here raking in about $15,000 in profits, if you want to be trading on BitGet yourself, then you know what to do. There is a link down in the description as well as in the pinned comment to BitGet, which will give you up to $8,000 in initial deposit bonuses and a bunch of other bonuses like these ones right here. $5 for simply signing up, 10% payback when you move from spot to derivatives, your money for trading. Then also if you deposit more than $500, you'll get one of my paid crypto courses for free, an amazing course you cannot miss. And if you deposit more than $500, you'll get it in your email, the access to it in your email within just a few days. So use those bonuses all in the description. So, and the pinned comment. Let's move on to Ethereum. Quickly on Bitcoin here. We are still in this vicinity, the vicinity that I was telling you about in between these two levels. So until, and see the price is still wrecked. All these opportunities right here are perfect for quick scalp trades that, I mean, my students would know, which are students part of thomascrollo.com. So this is absolutely beautiful. And right now, guys and girls, if we're gonna be moving lower, then, I mean, guess what? It's a very simple math. We're gonna be on the way to $20,000 as our primary current target right here. So this could be also a take profit area as well. And this is what it looks like in this chart, because it's the 20K area has been very important for us previously. Just those are just historic levels. Let's not go back into the history. So let's move on to Ethereum, and let's take a look at what's going on with this baby right here. And the same thing, we're seeing the same kind of an effect. We're moving below, we're currently below EMA ribbon, and for us to flip back bullish, we really need to see power and the push back above 1700. But right now, with what we are seeing in the equities markets, and we are starting to pull back this, as I told you before, this unreasonable move higher to in S&P 500 to 4,300 points. Insane. And now it's pulling back. But actually, let's remove EMA ribbon. It serves no value to us at this point. So we are currently standing at this incredible support that was very important support previously, and it has proven to be a very important support. So if we break below, then the way is open for us to go lower. And I personally, again, not financial advice, I'm not seeing how this is sustainable with current macroeconomics and geopolitical situation. And the same thing here, we opened up with a huge gap yesterday on NASDAQ, and we moved right past the very important support of 13,000 points. So we're just moving down. The only hopium we have that the oil actually stays below this resistance, and I'm really hoping so, because if it doesn't, then the target of this just technical, pure technical breakout would be about $107, and that would put inflation back super high because of the high energy costs, which would be just terrible. It's going to send everything down, trembling down the stairs. So my expectation for Ethereum at this point is that if we're gonna hold, and something is telling me we probably are not gonna hold this level of 1500, which is again this historical level from this daily wedge right here. That's why I'm saying that most people are probably gonna lose money on this, because there are so many people even that I know that are buying in here, and I'm like, why are you buying in here? Like, why? I mean, why didn't you buy it here or here or maybe here? Why the fuck are you buying in here? How stupid are you? But people just are. I mean, they never listen. They don't watch my videos. They don't understand what is, price relevance, and what is fair value in terms of the price action. They don't have no understanding, and then they complain that trading is gambling. I mean, what the fuck can you do about it? So anyway, if we're gonna break below here, then I think our way is gonna be open to 1275. But remember that the merge is coming, actual switch from POS, from POW to POS in September, I believe, like in the middle of September. And a lot of people are also predicting, saying that once it happens, the price is just gonna tank, just because buy the rumors, sell the news. And as I've said before, it's true, but at the same time, it's not the end of the improvement of the Ethereum ecosystem. They're also going to be introducing roll-ups, sharding, etc. And in my opinion, it's going to really tumble down the stairs. If they're going to do the merge, everything is going to be great. But roll-ups fail, or for example shorting, and shorting is going to be the most important one. If you don't know what it is, just then Google it. So that's going to be something that is going to allow Ethereum to actually scale, become much cheaper, reduce gas prices, and increase the speed of the network itself. That's what shorting is going to do. And of course there are certain, we don't know it's going to work, is it not going to work. Merge might work, but shorting might not work. And if that doesn't work, then well, hello, we're definitely gonna go lower, despite especially in this bear market that we're currently seeing, and the Dixie just going parabolic again back, and the dollar it's like the dollar is worth more than a euro right now. Well, I think that European Union is going to collapse very fast, with this kind of a tendency. So this is what I'm saying, and for me, in terms of my Bitcoin short trade, I'm not going to be closing it until, as I've said before, let's go to the 4-hour chart. If we're going to break below and go lower here, that's great for me and everybody who's been watching my videos. And if we're going to go above and actually close above in this vicinity and constitute like a breakout in this vicinity, this is where I would consider just taking my profits, and that's pretty much it. But I'm waiting for the PCE data to come out as well. So I'm gonna link my course to crypto, beginner's course right here. If you want to get into crypto, understand how it all works, and save yourself some time and money, check it out. But besides that, join Crowlow affiliates, link down in the description. Perfect passive income and the way to build your capital for your trading. Check it out, it's free for the next 30 days. Stay smart, stay rich, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.